Alrighty, y'all. It is back with me. Hold on, let me open it. My ECU is back. 1111. That's dope. Oh wait, is that 3 or that's a 1, right? Anyway, VCYCLENUT, thank you. So let's take a look at the got a little sticker. Oh, I'm gonna put this. Oh, thank you. I'm gonna put that on. Hold on. This is what I have. This is what he's done to me. Oh, so it is 1111. Cool. Please retain for your records, blah blah blah. When you sell, if there are any issues, questions, or concerns, please reach out. So, fuel changes for the Kelpie exhaust with filter and a airbox mod. I cut off the top hoses, and then I cut off the bottom hoses as well. Please use 91 or higher octane. Ignition timing for better throttle response and best power, removing all restrictions. Customized power mode 1 through 3, 1 being most aggressive, 3 being the least. Mode 4 left as factory. 1 and 3 make full power at full throttle, all restrictions removed in all gears. Turn fans on at 195. Okay. Damn. Disable top speed limiter. Nice. Disable injector decel cut. Disable closed loop fueling. So that's like for cruise control. Okay. Check engine light. I'm just gonna just ride around. So before you send it off, you send off a paper filling out what you want. You can do custom modifications if you really wanted, but I didn't do any of that. That's optional. But he asks questions like what exhaust you have, any airbox mod, any new filter, stuff like that. And then he'll ask you if you want any pops on the decel, and I chose yes. You can say no, but I like pops. I know some people find it obnoxious and just a little annoying, but to each their own. And then the third one was two choices, one word: snappy or smooth. Do you want your throttle to be snappy or do you want it to be smooth? And I was really contemplating about this. You guys probably think I chose snappy, right? Well, I didn't. Alright, I chose smooth. I don't know. I just want it to be smoother. It has all the power at once anyway, so I mean, yeah, I get it. A little snappiness. But I think most people probably chose snappy. I'm not sure. But maybe if you chose smooth, let me know. Then we are in the smooth brain gang. But I chose smooth because I wanted it to be kind of because I ride it to work. I don't want it to be fucking just, yeah. I just want it to be a smooth ride to work. That's it. Let's go put this bad boy in tomorrow. I lied. Let's just do it right now. Oh, I also got this new tank pad right in the middle from Stomp Grip as well. I know it looks a little off. Yeah, but it's okay. To protect right here, man. Alrighty, let's take this off. I just twist them down because I feel like I hate wrenching down loose bolts. I don't know if it's just me, but I feel like your hands just spin faster than you going, you know. I mean, obviously you can just get it like a screwdriver. So I reattached everything. I think that's like tucked in there. Yeah, just tight. Cool. Oh, yes, and she is back. So guys, I'm going with a new theme for my bike. So since it's like all black, you know, Venom, just like Tom Hardy, you know. There's a check engine light. Beautiful. Stay tuned for some ripping soon. Whoa, that's kind of a good slogan. Hopefully I am the first one to say that, but probably not. You know, I'm not gonna say I am. But stay tuned. Wait, what did I say? Fucking ADHD, fucking dyslexia, fucking dementia, fucking everything. Stay tuned. Alright, you know, I'm gonna watch the video and I'll see what yeah. For the riding soon, right?